Nhyira FM.
Ne bekasa no so yamane fair hearing.
Sure.
Ansana ebia etimi ajaje. We the a free atoforcing hoba.
We're reading letter no parliament. I will forward it to speaker, and the parliament is a house of records. And minority is why the kind of make similar pronouncement.
I think I think
right.
The minority and yet bad. What's ebiomo missing is untimi nkasi enjoy expressway no, because expressway no edani baby. If I can say outlier, edani baby. But I think the minority in Beka say, okay, and kaudi sa sikano, we de be a kunipano. What do you say? Because expressway no, yeah, nyani because ebia imprim. If we say so, beha, Yesu ne o baby, refi doti na muka doti.
Nhyira FM.
Na ekwan ne nye. Nti o ma no masuo mu dan nyina no mu nkotena ho. Ma no ma to asase. Immediately a omo eye ekwan na no e na straight obia ye na adwen se okwa akwa ni project ase. One day make no.
Right.
And no ye na adwen so kwahye ni project ase. It sometimes ekwan nya baby pe ema industry koho ema enyoma pako ema nipa nso tena ho ema oman ni mu nso bie if we say ebeduru baby no te say abrochiri obetimi free abrochiri otimi drive from maybe Accra to Kumasi be 2 hours no the baba ye adwuma obi a na wo sa akọ
na time no kra so hunya
here inti expressway ni eya de papa I think said the missing point in the year na but to say
it's unnecessary.
Ebia na opeso I think say ebia na Asenso Boakye peso o kire say we no here for now say opportunity cost. It is all your opportunity cost in economics. About yourself focus on the important things. What you say na edidi so. Enti later now they buy no. Ebia so I can't wait for unnecessary. No peso o kire say let's focus on the ekunipano. Now we see kana wash expressways nase. But you can do both.
The same ekunipa solutions, The expressway is not coming to do anything different. But the timelines, maybe concern was the timelines. You see,
expressway issue no. And 1 year.
They say it's 3 years.
It is say 2 months in poor. 2 months no. This just say ochina make us say. Nipa bewu. Ochina. I make us say.
Yeah.
Accident be see one crime kwan so ama nipa ewu ama about social media so me aka eyo ochine
right
Nhyira FM
because statistics number say any kwan so a prophet to know say ochina nipa bewu ewo sa kwan no so because e kwan ne nye nti aban ewo se ohwe sa ade no menti say aban so aka say onye sa ade no I think say one thing e was say clear say aban me ehu say a quine no or your expressway no obeja way atoana and never ma discussing so no a do because I know me to forcing no man to say or ma clear cases say expressway need a maybe 3 years asem name Accra Kumasi quine so no say ni say the atoa ye and no de mention nya ato forcing a worker sadie no and I will give them the benefit of the doubt. And me pese me go hard on Asenso Boakye. Because say anya fair hearing na ebia na enya sa na no paatre. Nti yetie ne say bia because aba a project to say they also on pay expressway. I don't think say minority no kasa expressway ni nye. That's not the position of minority. Position of minority no any say ye Accra Kumasi na ekunipa no. Now we are watching the expressway no. Inti I was say aban boy ye me hu say expressway ni ye. Ena die kuye no nso ye.
Banana the issue is the timelines no. For 8 years. These are the questions people are raising. For 8 years. Munim say kumnipa. You were in government for 8 years. Mo entimi amfa mu 2 years or 3 years. Say yetimi di complete here. and complete the Accra to Kumasi road na ekum nipa no ba ko ikure wo fankoi eno kra be ya asem of which na no kai se mampani ko na nsin ya akɔhwɛ contract no no hu nsɛm ni ade a you couldn't complete it. Enti senka ye de bia 1 year 2 years na ye ade ye quick. I think that another Kufuado and the minority no more akoma passen ko be ye ntem so. And if 8 years they couldn't do it, it tells you say it will need more years. And if more years than the expressway there, then I will choose the expressway.
What I am saying is that
that's the next question to
me. Okay. Perhaps they are okay to say that. But let me be a bit technical here.
Right.
Expressway no. Enya 1 year na be di kan use. Project no. A 3-year project. And sana wetimi aye say u use. Enti uchusu a long-term project as compared to an immediate project. I'll go by what minority is saying, meaning that let's fix the one that is killing us whilst you look at the expressway, because this is a technical thing and it's a expressway no and your project you see a no next month and your project you be 3 years. And sana I am motorable.
So how long would the old one or be? Sometimes be my question. Good. Because almost now was started and for 8 years.
No, you see, what I'm saying is that I understand the frustrations. Almost now 8 years. But you would enter no so you two because we're expecting them to fix it. They didn't.
Okay.
And Ghana for and say 8 years no MPP for anyinti wo a me ya yemfanchew.
But talking about it as an aspect of the construction money ade, this express route is going to reduce the distance by 50 kilometers.
That is after 3 years.
That's for the duration. 3 years, 5 years. The reason why that argument I brought it up is say until somebody is able to convince me, say Accra to Kumasi road no, you bet me the 2 months old one no, as compared to 3 years express road no, and sana magia to say beje dada no. ADC between but so if the timelines are almost the same as the expressway there, that studies has not been done.
No, let me help you.
Okay.
Two things here. Accra Kumasi kwan. Ebi wo ho a wonam kwan ne so a. E kwan no baby etutu. Potholes e wo so. You don't need to do reconstruction. What you can only do ne say road na etutu no, do it well na ye motorable
and no your maintenance.
That is what we are saying. So there are places in Accra and ya Accra ho ni nyina na enyo ye wo baby wo ho a e kwan ne ye baby e cause accident no. They have done that so ufri Accra Cape Costa ufri Accra Cape Costa. Yeah, well, baby, oh my, bumping bebre. You know why? A quite near, but they realize it says speed in internet kunipa. And to my bumping, ya walk around or drive away frustrated. Into Accra Kumasi Quino. Engineers were baby or munim say I had the accident to Taisi. Did an accident to Taisi? Shall let me tell you. Do you know, sir? Accident to Taisi war. Ekwanya edaso pa chen ekwanya enaso
ekwanya edaso pa chen ekwanya enaso
in Ghana ekwanya edaso no ekoso more accident than enti only national road safety for ne kasa sometimes omo prefer sa kwan na ya na aye bre no because man realize say driver ni a wo hu kwan a etene no because ye ntan hu sa ekwan no dodo na nse den nim highway driving. So uchi trotro na experience is different from highway mo drive VIP no. But uchi so uchi VIP and no mo ko enkran kwan so no and to say the uchi trotro any taxi e we within your locality.
Right.
So ankrofo no so omunya highway a na adwene say mamintia so. Unisa experience na go and check H1N1. The man Miniaba and Nana Mama Brown, unya accident no. Look at how the drivers, because you were quite be why you can send control craft so.
Right.
There was special car faso. So what I'm saying is that technically, expressway no, one fantastic project. I agree. And what see but one minority is saying say, sir, the other conquer your baby or what a quina say. Do that well and manage that. So won't mean by mumpoa. Sir, bako bano. Monitor where baby to say Joaso. Accident itaisi pa. Sa kono go Joaso kwano so. Adentina accident nisi. Is it the curve? Is it the road? Is it what? That place is no. You fix it.
But those maintenance work in a day, it's something that is regular, but just that some
it is not regular.
Some institutions are not working. Your highways authority and those things who are
not regular.
Say, sir, I want to be here to true, yeah, failure, no.
And those are the things, sir. Minority no ek.
But who shed your example here? It is not just about filling potholes, because when they talk about that. Of construction, the other areas they are mentioning, so must articulate me some about 100 kilometers. Yeah. It was a completely wave of the tar, the coal tar, and reconstructing the road. And so when we need to, and yes, say be a failing near 1 month, 2 months. At you, a buy and stop pay bypass no. Konongo bypass no busia for no. Omuda su you a buying jai. Yeah. Still now the construction
Nhyira.
Nana Kufado Shase, Aban by Onjaye.
Right.
And to the argument to say Aban we jain Onjaye. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Name so Basha, your baby potty a tiny accident. Those places near Kase. Aban focus na onye. Whilst doing the expressway. And to Aban met me a Kase. Ebia Medisikani ye expressway. So who expect to say be a Konongo Kwane ye two no. Mensan kodwi baby because already me ye Konongo bypass. Already me ye other bypasses are. And no subema Accra Kumasi akwentu no aye simple.
Right.
What people need to understand and they say structurally. What people need to understand and say expressway no a good thing but a long-term project. As we speak, by the time I be 3 years no. Na likely say Ghana for do na wo enkanai ne Kumasi kwan so. Until what do you do as a government in the interim? Any aka say wona menkran kwan so edu baabi a tisa wo fa baabi a passengers ne fa no. Because a kwan na tutu. What do you do as a government? Fix those things. Say the be ya car no betimi afa baabi a betimi afa yi. But what you say? Yeah. Until a bank can do both. Which is the expressway, and then that of Kumasi Babia accident in it. No. And Asenso Boakye some now okay, no. I am not saying say I'm not defending him, but I don't think knowing Asenso Boakye Obeka say menye, but I think say he was looking at the opportunity cost of fixing the Ekuyeno whilst you focus on the other things if you have the money. And the question na mi busani say Abai should rather come and tell us say this is the strategy for Accra Kumasi road ne wo hona de bie kunipa no a miguso ye expressway no we na me pese me yese de be accident no so te say de ochina me say ebi ba besi because eto de bia car no bo ho entem eto de bia we ba na we hia we. And it is something that we need to talk about that. I think so we need to give Asenso Boakye the benefit of the doubt. It is not a opinion wise person. Whatever Intiana, let's listen to the intention first before we decide they say you go. Because I support minority position and say Accra Kumasi Kwan no fix it first, then expressway is why yeah.
So Nana, your word is seemingly different from the opinion na omo pese omo project no,
and that is
because
why
yours is maintenance. I mean places are assessing no,
including bypasses.
But there's examples no mana is a complete set construction.
Because they are bypasses was say wanye expressway na yemfa ni say John Mahama amba no kaso be expressway na ebi MPP for net to as well and come by sa bypasses na ma Kumasi Accra no kilometers no so eswate in terms of traveling hours no and it's sa bypasses no so emu abie ebi obi hu ye please get the video for me sa Konongo bypass no let people know how big so papa so beka last year ho baby so last 2 years almost ase no ye wo residents we no wo Konongo no mo ka say aban encompensate you mo because no mu koko nyina no aban etwagu mo ye demonstration it is akwan esopa and let me state this one thing eba kwan a mebo Nana Akufo-Addo aba so say Nana Akufo-Addo kwan bia wo ye na adwen say oye no emu bie and that is a fact say Nana Akufo-Addo nya sika say oye a ekwan a Nana Akufo-Addo na oso obeye no na emu bie chen ekwan a ye nim ni nyina opa ye wadwen say o fa Konongo ye kan say ye kan say Santasi to Anya Kwanta say aban Nana Akufo-Addo aban nya sika at that time ekwan no emu be bie pa ye because we sika na eni ho na ama problem aba say wo kɔ bosomtwe kwan so a ekwan no we bie mu pa say wo kɔ afiduase kwan so a ekwan no we bie mu enti one thing na Nana Akufo-Addo eye say ekwan bia o ye na adwen so obeye no oma omu bie mu change the normal ekwan ebi okra cars 4 ebetimi atu abom you get the point enti erroneous for NDC for so mo bedwene say ekwan na minority for kano sabi nyansanim enye no kresa ekwan na MPP for minority ne kan ne say ekwan bi wo ho ana na Akufo-Addo hyase mo me enye sa akwan no na yenwie then you focus on the expressway but me say aban person ye expressway me so me pa onye expressway no na mom omeyan hu say de aban da ne hyase ene ba bia tutu no so oye ne den say the be ya enye so obewie 3 years so ne awuwu that is the simple point and it shouldn't be ambiguous.
Okay,
that is a simple point.
I was trying to find the cost of the expressway and then the amount na minister for roads Abuja say if they are supposed to even work on the old one na Akufo-Addo yena it will cost about 1.7 billion.
It doesn't matter say 2 billion no. What I'm saying is
if they are supposed to construct mean gase maintain
and I'm say right. It doesn't matter.
Right.
Eye Ghana for ne be use. Say what see a pesika near the ya yemfanye Ghana ye wusika ye betimi anya sika e de aye oti ase
eti se wo to akoko 100 cedis na worry na ye de bia
Jeff munya video na odi mumwa na video na omo ye expressway no e can say bypass Konongo bypass
oni abusuafo be chenam ana obe no na mama abusuare na ye ma wakoko akoko ne aponche na wo akoko ne 100 cedis na wo hwa aponche no even around 200 cedis kabeton number
it is you see I'm talking about engineering, I'm not talking about opinions.
We are looking at
we have to educate people. This is
positive.
This is purely engineering work. Right. See, you reduce engineering work to normal MPP NDC. Obi shedante the can say.
No, but the issue.
What I am saying is that Lemon Profonia Claire say this is pure engineering work. Yes. Project work. Project work. No, me say Nana Akufo-Addo share road ni biasia na ni nyina boama accident no so ate se minority can omudika se yenwie eno but say aban so are committed with the expressway no problem because me expressway ni ba me support it because eno so be boye but I am saying that the time for the completion of expressway no longer than the completion of already construction na ekoso ewo Kumasi Accra kwan no so enti aban must ensure say onja enungu ho because bypass no ye di ka bo ho ka wie
right
ye gu so ye
right
enti aban must asika no I don't know whether they have it.
Is it this one?
no more clear and no Joe shop for engineer do me cry not ujina ho that was last year baby no
okay yeah I think I've seen that I'm say we
yes
a bit of it
I want to so this is it's obiamra Facebook no me share
them what the other side
ti wo dey be share how big it is
ebusuan ba
where you bypass
left side baby omo nase
Konongo bypass once a kwan so
yeah
and it's the same expressway na bia because the bypass no emu so o hwe the way mu si gina ho a cars bebre betimi akọ enti mayam for minority ni nyase wa Asenso Boakye akawei me asemo ba I want to look at it from the factual point.
Yeah, we
what's the minority Asenso Boakye kano mayen kase sebisebu onim bia woka me fuane so me sa fua Jomahama expressway ni so but I am saying ni say
Nhyira FM
ade we ya ye ka ho asem ye bypass no say aban di sika ni shema na ye wia eno nso timiti ye cost no so enti there aban and what does the law say constitution no directive principle of state policy constitution is clear and let me attempt to quote it quickly. Constitution said the bayan call for anything you may be asking so that we don't speak it out of emotions. Asenso Boakye dia oka ye no there's nothing wrong with that except say ebia oka say we need a wasteful. I don't think expressway need a wasteful.
That's what he said.
Maybe I think say maybe me and Kamekan say in terms of opportunity cost no I would prefer say ube focus on completing sa bypasses na Kufado abashase no na uria you do the expressway
mame ready way ma na ebia obetumi enya bibi afri mu a which amanfo opinion almost so share ebia na Jeff I've sent something to you from the Minister for Roads and Highways nana I'll say we came in to complete Jeff the amount we came in to complete the Accra Kumasi Highway project and found out that we had to pay an additional $1.7 billion, which wasn't budgeted for.
You see, this is where I have a problem.
Okay.
This is where I have a problem with government.
So it
doesn't matter. That is why you are being TAT.
Okay.
Oh yeah, abai. Oh yeah, abai.
Nhyira FM.
Maminkai article, maybe Maminkai. We political objectives. I think, yes, political objectives, directive principle of state policy.
Right.
And then when you article 36, clause 7, or say, as far as practicable, a government shall continue and execute projects and programs commenced by the previous government. Article 36, clause 7. As far as practicable, a government shall continue and execute projects and programs commenced by the previous government. So, oba to sika, ebe to ka. Sa project where ye papa na Kufado Shase no. Ye besa kwa ba na ba be te se de sewua ni na sefo no. Yira na Kufado ja ye so be agenda 111. We don't learn as politicians and as a country. Because expressway now I can tell you say even 3 years no more kanomu wie. I am an engineer. I majored in civil works.
So we hold them accountable.
You understand? But I'm saying that as far as practicable, government now make us say say NDC Aban cannot complete the expressway within 4 years no more cannot.
Okay.
Because we are project there are unforeseen contingencies. A lot of things happen along the way. And until we are project my be CPM critical path method. Critical path method no activities are se wanya ebetimi affect the project's timeline.
Right.
It's a critical path method is what do we need to do? Do we have the resources? Sika wo ho. And answer abanjeje kakra no de ababe shem. Abai kaso wa budget ya, wa budget che say sika ni ho. ye budget here no nche sika wo ho aban say me di we na beye aban me kan che say expressway sika da ho bam a ye de ye say aban timi me kan sa de no say my budget here because aban budget is a hospital,
right?
Aban budget a ferry hospital,
okay.
Aban budget agenda 111, nothing happened,
right?
And to what I am saying, which I support the minority in say, in as much as I'm into building, and I support the expressway say ebeboyeno,
right?
Government previously as should be biase, constitution in say, and they know we are no bad,
right?
So what do? Find ways, find money, and do it.
Okay.
Once you do that, and no be boa ama discussions na ye. Na you can say Asenso Boakye or a traitor. No, technically no. I support what Asenso Boakye can, except say you can say expressway ni wasteful. Say no kind. I don't think say expressway ni wasteful. I think say Yera John Mahama expressway no. E beboa Ghana. Nemum me say. Accra Kumasi Road ni kuye. Find a way abetimi limit accident no. Na dear omusa ase ne yenwie.
Okay.
Yewie no so a obetimi aye expressway. That's my point.
Thank you very much, Nana Kojo Jantuah. I think Sena Nenga Kamema wa boss on the Islamic release.
No. Ochira.